Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Edmodo today. We will be using Edmodo for our Youth in Action project. I have already posted stuff onto the site for you. I just need you to start logging on and using it from home or during your free time. So I go to my internet, which is Safari for me. It might be Internet Explorer or Mozilla or Google Chrome for you. And I'm going to type into the search edmodo.com. The search is www.edmodo.com. And for some of you, I've already created the accounts. We used them in class a few months ago. For others, you've never used this site before. So I want to show you what you need to do. So you're going to click I'm a student because you are a student. And I gave you a group code on your agenda. What you're going to do is you're going to put in that group code. Our group code is GYJGC0. That's a 0. And you're going to create an account. So I'm going to create an account for Andreina. Okay, that name is taken. Maybe I'll create one for Karen. Okay, all these names are taken, so let's just create one for ESL student. ESL student 6. Okay. Password we'll make as password. And I'm not going to put an email address, but I'm going to just name the student ESL student number 6. Okay. Okay, so this is what you are going to see on your page. It's going to say your group. The group is going to be FHS Youth in Action. That's how you know that you're in the correct class, okay? Here, you're going to see my post, Miss Hussein to FHS Youth in Action. So I put in a poll here, so you have to vote. Which issue is most important? Bullying at FHS, helping ESL students at FHS, helping the immigrant population in Somerset or Franklin Township. And you can pick one, okay? You can also put in here, you can comment here. In your opinion, what issue should our class explore for Youth in Action? Why do you think so? Okay, and you can type, or what you can do is, I want to show you this one website. You can hit this plus sign, create a new tab, or you can go to a new window, however you do that on your computers, and you type in Vocaroo. The website is called vocaroo.com. And what you can do is you can record your voice. So let's just record something. Hi, my name is Miss Hussein. Okay, it's going to ask you if you are happy with this recording, and you're going to say yes. You're going to click here to save, and it's going to give you this link. I want you to copy that link. So you're going to right-click it, and you're going to hit copy. Right-click, copy. Okay? Right-click, copy. You'd only need to do it once, but I showed you it 3 times. Now you're going to go back to Edmodo, and you're going to paste it. Okay? You don't have to type a message. You can record your voice. I know that sometimes typing can be annoying. That's why I'm telling you you can just talk. Okay. Now, what we are doing for this project is creating a movie. So what I want us to do is link movies, create the movies, and put them on the website. So what you can do is, I'm just going to go to movies, Miss Hussein's movies, and hit this. Actually this one, okay? And Miss Hussein has attached a movie. So you're going to go to File, you're going to pick the movie that you have in your desktop, in your folders, okay? I picked one thing, and then I hit Choose. This is for the Mac. It's different if you have a PC, which some of you might have. So I'll have to show you that. If you can bring your laptops to school, then we can do it together that way. Okay? So then I'm going to say, I want to send this to Miss Hussein. Miss Hussein, this is my movie. And you're going to hit send. So it's going to take some time because now you're telling it to do things. Anytime that somebody sends a message to you, you're going to get a notification. This website is so much like Facebook. So, you know, I think that you guys will be fine using it, but I think I need to show you that you have to use this site so that we can get things done. Okay? We're going to go to this. I clicked the name. If you go back home, I clicked the name here, ESL student. And you can see that there are some people who are already in the class. I added some of the students myself, but you know, you have to join the group. That's the biggest thing. Now, if you already have an account and I did not add you, all you have to do is hit this button, join. So some of you in ESL 3, I didn't have your usernames, so I couldn't add you. But what you have to do is you go to groups and you have to hit join. And then you just type in the same code. Oh, not that code. You have to type in the GYJC0. GYJC0. That code. Okay, if you have any questions, you can also message me. You could say send to Miss Hussein. Miss Hussein, I do not understand. Okay. You can send messages to me, and you can also send messages to the class. So you're going to hit send to, and you're going to send it to FHS Youth in Action. And see, it shows up right here. Okay. If you have any questions, please message me. Please talk to me in class. I know some of you don't have internet at home. That's fine. I can, you know, come in and I'll bring my computer and we can work after school one day. But I really need us to communicate outside of our weekly meetings. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. This is our group. You're going to join the group if you're not already there. Put in the group code, hit join. Post your stuff in this section. Look for notifications in this section. Okay? All right. Use Vocaroo if you want to post a voice recording. It's vocaroo.com. And you can just record yourself and then post it here. Okay? I can show you again Vocaroo. Let me type that in again for you. We're going to hit click to record. It's going to ask you if it has permission, and you're going to hit allow. Okay? And then you just record. If you're happy with the recording, if you're okay with it and you want to save it, you just hit click here to save, and then it will give you the link to share. Okay? So, again, please let me know if you have any questions. See, there's your movie. We posted it. There it is. And then I can download it, and then I can use it when we do our editing. Okay, to sign out, you hit account and you log out. It's really a lot like Facebook. I know it's not Facebook, but this is the closest thing that we can do with it. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay?